Okay, a couple videos ago, I got a lot of compliments on my eyeshadow, and a couple of you guys had asked me to do a tutorial on how I did it, so that's what this video is going to be about. I used two palettes, the LORAC California Dreamin' and the Lila palette by Natasha Denona. You don't need those palettes to do this though. If you have any type of colored eyeshadows or even a Too Faced palette, you should be able to recreate this fairly easily. So I hope that you enjoy. Thank you. So that's what we are going for. I have already primed my eyes with MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. I'm going to take the LORAC California Dreaming palette and set my paint pot with the shade Cozy, whatever creamy beige shade that you already own works. I'm not going to set the whole thing though. I'm just going to do up on the top of my brow bone. There. And then I'm going to be taking Hot Toddy, which is like a dusty rose type of shade. I think Dusty Rose by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a good one. Girly by MAC. I'm going to put that on my brow bone and into my crease and just blend it up. And then going into Hot Toddy with a smaller brush this time, this is going to go on my lower lash line. I'm going to work a little bit backwards by doing my lower lash line first. This is Viola by Natasha Denona and the Lila palette. Honestly, it's just a basic shimmery purple, so more than likely if you have any of the colorful like purple type palettes, you have this one. And I'm going to take a little smudge brush, and I actually like working with this wet the best. So once I have some product on my brush, I'm going to spritz it with Fix Plus. And I'll dip back into Viola a couple of times to get the look that I want. Now taking this pointed crease brush, this is the Sonia G Pencil 2, I'm going to go into Viola. And this is going to go into my outer corner. Magentic is a hot pink. Think of any of those hot pinks like in the Too Faced holiday palettes. That's basically what this is, but a little bit better. So using this flat synthetic brush, I got this from an old Urban Decay palette, I'm going to dig into the pink and then wet my brush. I really like these shimmery or metallic shadows wet. They tend to work a little bit better without having crazy fallout, and that's going to go onto my lid. Taking this little itty bitty tiny brush, I'm gonna just kind of blend it upwards to soften it up a little bit. And then back into Viola on this brush. I'm going to put that into my outer corner a little bit more. Juneau is a purpley, like champagne shade. It's what I usually use for my inner corner. And this little synthetic brush, I'm going to take some of that, and then that's going to go into my inner corner, blend it up into my eyebrow area. Before I do the glitter on my inner corner, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Aqua XL color paint. This is in the shade M90. It's just a purple, and I have this Real Technique synthetic brush for my waterline. I work with this a little bit at a time. It's what it says it is. It's a paint. I'm going to be using Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Pyro. I like this because it's iridescent and it kind of takes on the color of whatever you put it on top of. I think that this look would look really great with fake eyelashes, but I'm not really a huge fake eyelash person, so I'm just using Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara from MAC. That's it. It's really, really easy. Just those couple of colors, and I think it's a really pretty look. I like it. I like the pinks and the purples and a little bit of glitter on the inner corner. It's easy peasy. Okay, that's all it took. It's really easy. Just like your matte transition color in the crease and up on the brow bone, some pink on the lid, purple on the outer corner and lower lash line, some glitter in the middle, the inner corner, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.